So good morning, class 6. Today we are going to revise chapter number 11, light, shadow, reflection. So your question number 1 is, kindly raise your hand if you know the answer. First question is, state whether it is true or false. So your question number 1 is, yes, Kashvi?
Ma'am, true. Light travels in straight line.
So yes, it is true that light always travel in a straight line. Next, Arav Kulial.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, true. Ma'am, second, a shadow can be colored. Ma'am,
Okay.
false.
Is it true or false?
Ma'am, false.
So still you have read that shadow can be colored. So it is false. Second is, the image formed in pinhole camera is both erect and inverted. Yes, Janak Verma. Janak Verma.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is false.
The answer is false. So what type of image is there? Erect and image, both can't be there. Either erect or either inverted image will be there. Next is Vedic. A transparent object does not cast shadows. Vedic?
Ma'am, true.
Yes. Yes. Why it is so true? Why it is true, Vedic?
Ma'am, because light can pass through transparent object.
Very good. Next is E part. A periscope is an instrument used for observing objects from a hidden position. Yes, Dravya Jain, can you give the answer? Chitra? Yes, Dravya. Aditya Purohit? And periscope is an instrument used for observing objects from a hidden place. Yes, Kashvi?
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true, beta. So periscope is an instrument or it is a device which is used for observing the object from a hidden position. Next.
Periscope is called as Durbi.
No. Periscope is different. I will show you afterwards. So moon is a luminous object. Yes, Vedic?
Ma'am, false.
False, ma'am.
Yes, it is false. So can I have the answer why it is false?
Because
Yes,
moon doesn't have the light of its own.
Yes, because
Ma'am,
moon,
because moon does not have light of its own.
it takes a light from sun and that's why it shines. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. Children, I want each one of you to switch on the cameras so that we can interact directly. Aditya Purohit, the phenomena by which we see our face in the mirror is called? Yes, Vedic.
Reflection.
Yes, it is known as reflection. Reflection. Okay. Next is, kindly raise your hand, children. Janak Verma. Give the answer for the second. Dravya.
Ma'am,
Sun is an
luminous object.
Sun is an luminous object. Any other word we can send write in here? Because it is written in and it is written. So can we write any other words? So anyway, luminous objects. Next, Shanaya or Janak. Ishita. A dash eclipse occur when Earth comes between the sun and moon in a straight line. Kindly raise your hands. Yes, Vedic. Dravya.
Ma'am, solar.
Which eclipse occur? Yes, it is a solar eclipse. Next. Wooden piece is an dash object.
Ma'am, can I tell Arush?
Yes, Arush, tell.
Ma'am, can I?
Opaque object.
It is an opaque object. Beta.
Opaque object.
Check the pronunciation
Opaque.
also. It's an opaque object.
Ma'am, means in sun one also opaque can come.
Yes. Next is dash and dash are two types of shadows. Did you know the answer of this? What is the two types of shadows are? Yes, Aditya Purohit or Arush has raised hand. Kashvi
Ma'am,
has.
self and cast.
Yes, there are two types of shadow. One is self or one is cast, means which the shadow which forms itself. Self and other is cast, which we make artificially, which we use to form. The next, the objects which partially allow light to pass through them. Shania.
Ma'am, translucent.
Yes, very good. That is known as a translucent object. Good. Lavanya, you are giving the answer. Translucent are these. Okay. I hope each one of you have to understood. If anybody has not want to ask something, you may ask. Next question comes to us is match the following. We need to say that how we can match the following. Okay. Let's start with it. First is transparent. Sorry, translucent it is. To translucent, you can match it with the butter paper. Opaque,
Wood.
wood.
Ma'am, translucent also match with glass.
Yes, translucent with the glass also. No, transparent is the glass, beta. That depends upon the glass, which type of glass we are talking about.
No, ma'am, we can't see other side of the glass.
Children, raise your hand if you want to speak. Yes. Next is transparent with water. Transparent with water and transparent with glass even. Luminous, torch bulb, and luminous with the sun.
Sun.
So in this way, you can match this following. Okay. Okay, children. Let's start with another worksheet. Question number 1 is, what are luminous and non-luminous objects? Kindly raise your hand. Yes, Shubh. None of the answer you have given. Yes, Shubh, give the answer.
Luminous object is sun, non-luminous object is moon.
Okay. So children, if this question is in 2 marks, so first of all, you have to give the definition also. Can you give the definition, Shubh?
Luminous object which produce their own light is called luminous object. Non-luminous object which did not give their own light and reflect other luminous object light is called non-luminous object.
Okay, very good. Next is Aditya Purohit. Differentiate between transparent, translucent, and opaque objects.
Ma'am, different between transparent, translucent, and opaque object is transparent object. Object which allow the light to pass through them is called transparent object. The
Yes.
object which allows sunlight to pass light partially is called translucent object, and object which not allow the light to pass through them are called opaque object.
Okay, fine, good. So next is Kashvi. What is a shadow and how it is formed? Raise, children, you may raise hand. Okay, next question will be given by Arush. Yes, give the answers. Yes, what is a shadow and how it is formed? Yes, Vedic, if you want.
Ma'am, a shadow is formed when a opaque object come in front of light.
Very good. A shadow is formed when any opaque objects comes in the way of light. Very good. And what is shadow? It is always dark in color. Next question. Yes, Arush. List the conditions essential for the formation of a shadow. What things are
Ma'am, the
required?
essential for the formation of a shadow, ma'am.
What three
There
things are
should
required?
be
Yes. Tell.
and there should be an opaque object.
Hmm.
Ma'am, there should be,
Opaque
ma'am,
object should be there. Source of light should be there. Screen should be there. These three
yes,
things are
yes,
required. Only then the shadow will be formed. Okay. So children, here you have to classify number 5. That classify the following as transparent, translucent, and opaque object. So I think you can differentiate your own. Let's move to question number 6. Question number 6 is, what type of shadows are formed by transparent, translucent, and opaque objects? Can I have the answer? Children, raise your hands. The same children has. Yes, Kashvi, tell.
The shadow formed by transparent object is nothing because transparent object allow the light to pass through them. So that is why no shadow will be formed.
Okay, next.
If the object is translucent object, then the shadow will be appear very light because translucent object allow the light to pass to them partially, so it will appear little blur or type of small. And if there is the opaque object, then the shadow will be formed perfect because opaque object do not allow the light to pass through them,
Yes.
and the complete shadow will come.
Okay, children. So 3 of the types you have told that what type of shadows are formed. In transparent, no shadow as the light passes through it. In translucent, the shadow will be blur. Very dim shadow will be formed. And in opaque object, totally black shadow will be formed. Okay. Next, number 7. Why do we not see the shadow of aeroplane and birds flying in the air? You know, they fly at very high distances. Why we are not able to see their shadows? Anybody among you want to say?
Can I?
Anybody else? Yes, Janak Verma. Yes.
yes, ma'am, because they are so high. So that's why their shadow is not visible to us.
Okay. Anybody else?
Can I?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, the roads and other things work as a screen, and these things are like opaque objects. So if they are nearer to the ground or road surface, then they are visible.
Yes.
Because
actually,
shadows are formed when
without
the
screen,
object is close to it.
yes, shadows are
And
formed when the
if we
object
go
is close
higher,
to
it
it,
will not visible.
or when the screen is close to it. In this case, in the case of aeroplane or the birds, the screen is very, very away. Like the roads, these are very away. That's why the shadows can't be formed in case of aeroplanes and birds. Number 8, state the principle behind the working of a pinhole camera. Describe in detail how you will make the simple pinhole camera. So children, the working you have to give, and first of all you have to tell the principle, on which principle that pinhole camera lies. Tell me.
The meaning of this question?
Yes, meaning means on what principle does it. Yes, how is work, that is a different, but what is the principle, what is the base of this working of pinhole camera, that light always travel into a straight line. That's why we are able to form the image.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shubh is showing the torch or laser light he is showing. That light always travel in a straight line, only that's why the image is formed. Next, characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. Yes, Ishita, you know the answer? Ishita, Janak Verma, Vaibhav, Arush, Dravya Jain. Kindly give the answer. Aryan Gautam, Arnav Tomar. What type of image is formed by the plane, this pinhole camera?
I know the
What type of image? Yes, tell.
ma'am colorful. Ma'am erect.
Erect.
Ma'am color.
Better note erect. Inverted
Yeah,
image is formed. Smaller and
Yeah.
inverted image.
Ma'am, real inverted.
Yes. Real and inverted image is formed. Kindly see to it. Real and inverted image is formed in case of pinhole camera. So second, next question is, describe an activity to show that light travels in a straight line, and second is define reflection of light. So I think any of the activities, so many activities are there in your book, you can do that light travels in a straight line. And the last question is reflection of light. Light always travel, that bouncing back of light is known as reflection of light. Okay, children. So this was your chapter number 11.